A very heartiest good morning to one and all. Myself, Nischay Pillai from NTTF Murbad. My course name is Mechatronics Engineering and Smart Factory. My shop talk topic is MRI machine. The contents we are going to discuss are introduction, history, working, pros, cons, and conclusion. So at first, introduction. What is MRI? MRI stands for magnetic resonance imaging. It means a machine which creates images of internal organs with the help of magnetic field as well as radio frequency. Second, history. It was first invented in the year of 1974 by a well-known physician, Dr. Raymond Damadian, in the United States of America. Later on, it was brought to India by Dr. Rajendra Singh to study the major disease. This is the picture of Mr. Raymond Damadian with his wonderful creation. This is Mr. Rajendra Singh, our Indian environmentalist. Third, working. The working of MRI machine is that it has directional magnetic field. That is, whenever an individual is placed inside the MRI machine, the strong magnetic field realigns the hydrogen proton. Then a radio frequency is pulsed through the human body, which simulates the protons straining the pulse against the magnetic field. This process is practiced for few periods. Then the protons realign back to its position when the radio frequency is turned off. And when it returns to its position, the proton emits such energy and the machine captures that energy. And hence we get the desired structure of the internal organ, that is image. Fourth, that is pros. It creates detailed image of each and every organ in our body, safer than any other scanning machine. Cons, it requires too much time to scan, as well as it creates a lot of noise. And the most, but not the least, that is, it is a lot costlier than any other scanning machine. So the conclusion is that using such kind of technology will definitely, we will be able to overcome major diseases in human and humanities. Thank you.